Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, April the 11th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiwa block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, I've heard on TV, O.J. Simpson has died at age 76. Yeah, 76. Well. All right. Let me start with the 3 star Sudoku. 3 star Sudoku number. This will be number 8341. 8341. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 28. Should be an easy one. 28. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 3 more digits. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. But with 25 printed digits, this one has 28, should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, need to be faster than 30 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Let me see. Which number can I pick? Well. Yeah. This will be difficult. Come on. 1. There's a lot of 4s, but I cannot do anything with the 4s. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. These 2 boxes can be 5. We have a 5 in this big square, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Shoot me down. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5. Shoot me down. 5. Need a 5 here. It means in the middle column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the 5 in the middle column could be here or there. We see another 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So on that row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. I need to wait. How about the 8 in this column, the 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Well, cannot continue with 8. Need to wait. 1. 4. The 4 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 4 in the column next on the last column. The only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the row above, no 4 there. So only place left 4 should be there. Need a 9 here. Okay, then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here, 6 in the middle column, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. The 6 and 8 in the last column. The 6 and 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we have 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we have 6 in this first column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 and 8, we have 6 now in the third row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit 1, number 6. Alright. Then need an 8 here, need an 8 there. Okay, need a 5. Okay, 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 5, okay. Alright. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there, okay. Need to wait. Need a 1 there. And I need, I want a 2, no, 2, no, well, 2, 3, 7, 2, well, here we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in this box. We have 2 in the middle row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 2 in one of those 3 boxes in the third column. So this box can be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. So I need a 2 here. Alright. And I need a 2 there. Alright. Need a 2 here. Cannot continue with the 2. Then, let me see. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have 4 in this first row. No, first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Alright. And now, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so in the first columm. Only place level the 9 should be there. Then 1 box left in this column, third column for number 1. Alright, 1, 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 and a 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, on the last column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so in that row. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 9. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 5, number 8. Okay, 1 box left now in this column for number. I believe the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left, the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the man. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this column for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this one, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this picture for the numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there, finish in 13 minutes. Well, 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the 4 stars and the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.